So Data Intensity is a full Oracle ecosystem provider. We have services across all aspects of Oracle, whether it's Oracle Fusion Cloud apps, whether it's the on-premise ERPs like PeopleSoft or EBS or JD Edwards, or it could be the PaaS services that exist within their cloud. It could be autonomous database running in there. It could be the AI capabilities and functions that are inherent and exist within the Oracle Cloud. We can really help clients take advantage and find the value in the entire Oracle ecosystem, even including licensing optimization. We have a couple assessments that help our friends in the Oracle field. The first is an Oracle Application Focus Assessment, our TCOT, our Total Cost of Ownership and Transformation. In that assessment, we do a detailed performance and licensing analysis. We're one of only 8 providers globally in what's called the VSAM partnership. It's a Verified Software Asset Management partnership with Oracle. That gives us authorization to be able to go actually audit a customer, but do it in a safe place where they're not feeling like they're being audited by Oracle. So it allows us to be a little bit more friendly and find solutions for them. And it's kind of a safe place for them to go through that analysis. And it's under NDA, so none of the results can be shared with Oracle without the client's permission. And so that assessment allows us to compare different clouds. It could be looking at Azure against OCI, against GCP, against AWS, and it gives that total investment cost from a third party. It's not Oracle saying, move your Oracle workloads to Oracle Cloud, which is a great idea, and there's great messaging from the Oracle field, but it's coming from Oracle. So sometimes clients say, I'd like to hear from an independent party what their recommendation is. And it's a very, very detailed analysis that shows the implementation cost or migration costs, licensing, ongoing run rate. It truly is inclusive. So in addition to that, we also support non-Oracle workloads and doing assessments there. And we know that's a very, very big driver for the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure OCI field teams. And so for that, we come in and do a detailed assessment called our Cloud Platform Assessment. In the CPA for short, we come into an environment and we do a very detailed assessment, whether it's an internal data center, an existing cloud that isn't OCI, and we analyze a few things. We analyze what services they're running, the performance needs, including right-sizing the performance. We also do application interdependency mapping. So we see where data gravity is, what applications have dependencies to each other, and it gives clients the confidence that if they are going to go through a platform move, they understand all the details and their dependencies. We marry that with a de-risk plan. Saving money is fantastic, but if you don't have a de-risk plan, no one's interested in talking about it. So again, like our TCOT analysis, we come in and actually show that third-party independent non-biased analysis, and OCI wins in these assessments consistently. It's a very powerful tool. By taking the step to spend a couple of weeks going through a process like this, it actually speeds up the deal progression significantly by showing that value, answering all of the client's questions, concerns, and proving the value of OCI. Many of our clients are trying to figure out their multi-cloud journey. People hear multi-cloud, and they've made significant investments in resourcing in migrating their workloads to a particular cloud. And I think that they're finding that there's choice out there, and marrying yourself to one cloud is not really a best practice. And so we're finding that folks need help going through the analysis of how would they figure out where they need to move workloads to on what cloud? What would be the best cloud for this particular workload? What type of interdependencies do you want to have between your clouds? And so our cloud platform assessment allows us to do a detailed analysis of data centers, whatever public cloud providers you may be running on as a client. And we can come back with ideas, and we can come back with recommendations of what the most optimal way to deploy your applications, your infrastructure, your data across multiple clouds, across AWS, across GCP, OCI, Azure, and finding the right mix there. We try to marry performance, capability, and cost all as part of those considerations, but the biggest focus is de-risk. If you are going to move into different clouds, you have to understand your application or dependencies, you have to understand the data gravity and the things that matter in your particular environment. And we help clients through that with our cloud platform assessment.